Sagittarius, welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. Thanks for your support in advance, because I know that you guys are going to hit that subscribe button. I can feel it. Hit that subscribe button, Sagittarius. It's nice. It's nothing wrong with it. No harm in it. Become a subscriber. You're going to get amazing videos like this one that you're about to hear. Different topics, your love life, right? Your general overall life, what's going on per month, right? So don't be a stranger, you guys. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, okay? If you all are interested in getting a personal guidance from myself, I do recommend doing that. I have videos that are just like this. They are designed like this, except that they are geared toward you and a particular person that you want to inquire about. Also, life purpose, spiritual gifts, all that good stuff is there at my shop. If you are interested, shop the shop. The link down below is in the description box, okay? So check that out. Now, we are in the middle of this time frame, September 16th to the 30th, 2023. And so, being that we're in the middle, some of these events could have already taken place, could be about to happen, or could be happening currently. Also, give it time to play out, because everything on this channel is based on divine time. So whenever it is supposed to hit, that is when it will, and that is when you will know, okay? All right, so Saggies, let's talk about it. You and a love interest, how you both feel and how you both see each other during this time. So what I am picking up with you all is that there is something about you, lanyap. Some of you may not know what that means, but that is when you do something extra or put in an extra effort or go the extra mile for someone. And I feel like you're doing that, or you have been doing that for a love interest. You may feel like you are responsible for your lover's well-being, mentally, emotionally, and sometimes spiritually. In your person's life, you play a big role, and you're realizing that you keep this person feeling secure within themselves and confident about who they are. You are like the morning motivation for this person, the afternoon affirmation, and the evening encouragement. You're all that this person needs to do. You are the task maker, the task master here for this person. And so you enlighten this person. You give them structure throughout their day. Getting their dose of you is like a daily vitamin that they have to take. They have to in they have to digest. They have to digest you every day. They have to feel your energy. They have to see what you're doing. They have to connect with you. They have to. This is something that it feels like they're inseparable right now, or they are like a Siamese twin to you, like they're connected to you. You know, your heads are connected or something. Like this person, they need you. They need you, and you're aware that they need you. And it's not like, oh, I need this person so that I can leech off of them, or I can be a vampire toward them, like a energy vampire, or I can be like I can profit from it, or it's not like that. They really need you for, like I said, for their well-being, to live a healthy life, to think more positively, to do the right things, to end all their addictions and their bad behaviors. And like, oh my gosh, you're such a disciplinarian slash counselor, therapist, lover, friend, like a best friend, right? You're all of these things in one for this person, which means that yes, they're codependent upon you. Absolutely. They do need you. Absolutely. They lean on you. Absolutely. 1,000% they need you. All right. So this is a person that feels like no matter how far away you two are at times, you will always have their back, right? They feel like that. They feel like if nobody has their back, you have their back. So yeah, you come across like a hero, a heroic figure, a true soldier for this person, a conqueror, a lover with a mission, with an important role that you play. Now, usually when you are stuck in the more responsible role or playing the role of a hero in a love connection, you may not get back what you give out. But you know what's interesting, and I heard this from another spiritual person who mentioned this, and this was very true when she said it, because I love the fact that right now the world, pretty much a lot of people are inspired by me right now. So I love the fact that I could hear it's like an echo. And so when she said it, I was like, okay, cool. That's exactly what I was thinking, but I love the way you said it. So I think she said something along the lines of, you and your person, your God ordained spouse or whatever, you're not put into this person's life to love them and get the same in return. And when I heard that, I wanted to flip out when she said that. But then I said, just hold on, listen to what else she said. And then right after she said, you are here to give unconditional love to this person. When you give unconditional love, you love with no conditions. You love under no conditions, under no circumstances. You love without a requirement of anything to receive. That is extremely hard to do in a society that sticks it in your mind every time every time you look around, from social media to your family members to your best friends to just a stranger and conversation that you're overhearing. Everyone's telling everyone if they're not getting something back, don't do it. From business to love to family situations, everyone's telling everyone what not to do until they have created a self-driven society, a vain society, because everyone's about self. So with that diminishes the love. It's a rare thing when you are still a lover in 2023, an unconditional lover in 2023. So I keep mentioning this year because I noticed I even mentioned it in the beginning, and I don't really always say this is your reading for, and I give the full date. So something about this year is important. This to me feels like the year of the spiritual connection, the year, the month, the time where spiritual connections are really the most potent, right? This is a very significant time and a moment within the connection where someone in it is realizing that this is really truly the real deal. This is really love. This is not that old interpretation of love. This is not, oh, we're just gonna stay together for kids love. This is not, oh, we're gonna be together because we don't want people to talk about us love if we break up. This is a love that does not care who has anything to say about it. This is a love that does not care what happens in it. It's still love. It's unconditional. So someone sees that you are an unconditional lover, and they really do see it and they feel it, right? So let's look at this person. Exactly. Not only do they see this, but they are delighted to have you, Sagittarius. They feel good harmony and energy in this space that they are in with you, because they are aware that you love them without a limit. Okay, and so overall, this person is seeing you as a sympathetic lover. You show so much kindness and sympathy toward them. You care about them, you nurture the connection. And this brings forth a powerful truth, justice, and deep revelation in this connection. So you are the kind of person, in their eyes, you are the kind of person that you hold true to your values and morals, and this allows you to see clearer now, or see things in so many different perspectives about love in general and about this connection overall, because you love unconditionally. That is how you can not just see things from your way, you see things from their way. That is how you avoid a lot of arguments. That is how you don't judge them and just like walk away from the connection and leave it all there and never go back. You don't really do that. And even if you threaten to do that, you still don't, because they are finally realizing that I really do have unconditional love. Like, this is the thing that people want, and I have it with the Sagittarius. So that's what this person's really seeing. Speaking of seeing, how do you see them? So the numbers 35, 3, 5, or 8 could be significant for some of you. It's something about your presence. Something about their presence in your life, Sagittarius. So what's happening is that you benefit from them being there too. You're not just an unconditional lover and you're not getting anything. No, of course not. You're a Sagittarius. That's not going to happen. So obviously you're benefiting too. And you're benefiting from their presence. You just knowing that you have someone there, that's all you require. That's it. Just be there for me. Just be there. Just be there. Just be there. You are more like, I need the loyalty, right? That could be your only thing you ask. So for you, it's just like, yeah, just be there. Just live in the now. Don't worry about the past. Don't worry about the future. Just feel acknowledged by me. Feel cared for by me, right? Make sure that you're thinking positively about me. Make sure you keep that energy, because all I require is that you be here. And if you be here, I'm going to give you all this, right? So your person, in the way they see things materializing. For some reason, this person feels like you are a specially trained spiritualist, where you can manifest items out of the ethers and bring it down to reality and make things happen. What that could mean is that maybe you get them something rare for their birthday, or you find the rarest things to surprise them with. And it's like, how did you even pull this off for me? But you're the kind of person that does it. Or maybe you save this person's life in some kind of way. And they're like, oh my God, like, how did you even see that coming? You're the person that does it for them. Like, you're some type of magician. You can make things happen for them. And they're like, oh my Lord, I can't believe that I have a person in my life that actually can make things happen. They have a vision and they hold on to the vision until it comes true. And they're patient and they're relaxed about it, and it really happens. I can't believe it. I am with Supergirl. Can't believe it. Right? So that's how this person's seeing things. This was fun. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. For more, check out the description box. Link to contact is down below. God bless.